Hi friends, today we will discuss a very important topic which will help you to lead a successful life, not only to be successful but also to be prosperous. Take care of confidence gap. Confidence gap. How the gap in confidence to be bridged. Confidence matters as much as competence. So what is competence? What is confidence? Confidence is a state of being clear whether an assumption or prediction is correct or chosen course of action is the best. So self-confidence is the self-assurance in one's personal judgment, ability, which increases from experiences of satisfactorily completing activities. Why confidence is important? Increased confidence permits you to enjoy freedom from negative thinking. It helps to take calculated risks to move out of your comfort zone. Dr. Jack Gensler and Joe Fockman have observed on their longitudinal research useful insights regarding capabilities and confidence of men and women. It is observed while applying for a job, women are less likely to apply unless they are 100% fit and possess absolute confidence in their ability, whereas men with 60% confidence may apply. So this differs in attitude. In the book Confidence Gap, a guide to overcoming fear and self-doubt, author Ross Harris has stated how fears to be handled and lessons to be learned from failures to overcome the gap to reach the desired level. So such books may be referred. WikiHow also explain lot of details on what is confidence and how the confidence gap to be reached. So how do you build confidence? Many times internal experience is observed that you are not as good as others perceive you to be. You feel you are not as good as others perceive you to be, which is termed as imposter syndrome, which is not good for you. You do not believe where you are and you think that you have reached that stage by sheer luck. But it is not fact. It may not be fact. It must not be fact. But that belief may be merely based on self-doubt. And doubt is always not correct. Your inability to realistically study your strengths, attributing your success to external factors. Your ability to realistically study your strength is very important. That attributes to your success. In such case, you need to stop fighting your feelings. Refuse to let it hold you back. Stop comparing, question your thoughts. Take baby steps to do things perfectly, assess your abilities and gain strength. While self-confidence is gender neutral, the consequences of appearing self-confident are not. The performance plus confidence equals power and influence. Formula is gendered. For details you can see the hbr.org. The good blogs are there. So what is confidence gap and how to overcome it? It is very important to overcome the confidence gap. Gap in capability and confidence levels may exist between men and women and also amongst individuals. So one can take several steps to regain confidence. One may lower their bar good enough to gain confidence and then slowly to grow. Make adjustment with inner critic, start taking risks. Other things can be taken up as follows. So one must not forget they can raise their bar good enough to gain confidence and then to grow. Make adjustment with their inner critic, start taking risks, challenge old norms, celebrate and elevate with small steps and gains. Do not wait for your confidence to gain momentum. Go on stacking positive thoughts and good habits that help confidence to grow. Change your self-talks, the way how you talk to yourself. That is very important. Have positive talks. Make environmental conditions friendly for you. The external conditions must be favorable to you. Change your mindset. Mindset is most important. That will give you always the fit to change yourself. Have confidence enough with you. Learn from mentor, experts, good books, blogs, TED Talks, YouTube videos. Those are very good resources to develop your knowledge. And that knowledge can give you confidence. Grow your confidence account day by day. Move beyond your comfort zone. Choose what to retain and what not, what bad habits to leave. Be clear why you are not confident and improve your self-awareness to find suitable ways and means for development. Present your best self to the world. Do not fight with negative thinking. Try to push positive thoughts so that negative thoughts don't find any place to stay. Feelings to calm after actions. Check what holds you back and why. Harnessing energy from anxiety, mastering courage, and facing fear are critical to bridge the confidence gap. You need to develop your qualities to bridge the gap and have enough confidence, and that is the route for success. So challenging at times bad thoughts about yourself and taking a different perspective to improve yourself. Keep visual reminders to feel good. Nurture your personal values and virtues. Develop your character strengths, which will automatically help to boost your confidence level. So keep in mind, it's very much required to have enough self-confidence, develop good habits which will help your confidence to grow, which is the base to lead a successful and prosperous life. Thank you. Wish you all the best.